Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on your Goodbudget account. So let's get started right away. You will need to use your web browser for this one. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goodbudget.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Goodbudget website. Click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be allowed to log in. Just enter your email address or your username and then enter your account password underneath. Now click on the login button and you will be logged into your Goodbudget account right away. Now from your home page, if you wish to change your username, click on My Household at the top right corner. You will now be taken into your household preferences page. Now within this page, you will see your household username as well as what would you like to be called section. You can change your household username to whatever you wish, as well as the what would you like to be called section. After editing your username settings, you can click on the save button underneath and now your username will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Goodbudget application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.